On the company configuration page, there are two ways to add a new company to the project. The first way is by clicking the Add Company button. You'll need to fill in the company name and the social media platforms you want to monitor. Note that social media platforms are not required. Feedback will only be collected from the networks you register. By clicking Finish and Save, and then Confirm, the company will appear in the list of companies registered in the project. Consumer feedback data will begin to appear on the project dashboard within 6 hours. The second way to add companies is by clicking the Import Companies button. With this option, you can register multiple companies at once. To do this, simply click the Import File button and upload the file containing the company information. In just a few moments, the companies will be added to the project. The file with the company's data must be in CSV format. To view the file structure, simply click the View Import Model button. A sample file will be loaded. You can use it to fill in the companies for your project. Let's take a look at the file format. For demonstration purposes, we'll show the file in Excel format, which is easier to visualize. But don't forget, the final file must be in CSV format. The first column corresponds to the name of the company to be added. The following columns correspond to each of the available social media platforms. Fill out one row for each company you want to add. Once a company or a group of companies has been added, if the project belongs to a segment that includes establishments, you can start adding them by clicking on Establishments. If the project belongs to a segment that includes products, you can start adding them by clicking on Products. We'll see how to do that in the next videos.